Welcome! Today we are looking at a truly stunning, luxury villa in the wonderful town of Cascia, Perugia. This is located in the stunningly beautiful Umbria region of Italy. This region is known for its medieval heritage, and one of my favourite things, chocolate. The Bacci chocolate is so yummy. What if I told you there was a massive home in the heart of Umbria, surrounded by nature waiting for you? Located in the picturesque town of Cascia, this huge villa offers an incredible escape with unlimited potential. With a lush garden, beautiful stonework and a classic Italian feel, this home is an unbelievable value. At an unbelievable €218,000, this opportunity won't last long. Don't miss your chance to own a special piece of Italy. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you'll find a home brimming with character and warmth. The heart of this house is this expansive great room, featuring a magnificent stone fireplace that's a true centerpiece. Imagine gathering with family and friends around this huge dining table, perfect for hosting memorable feasts. Every piece tells a story, from the detailed stonework to the rustic, elegant decor. The living area offers a quiet retreat. With plenty of natural light and comfortable seating, this space is ideal for relaxing after a long day. It's a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern comfort, where you can unwind with a good book or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The kitchen is a perfect blank canvas ready for your personal touch. This kitchen is designed for functionality and everyday living. Now onto the first ground floor bedroom. This is a large, spacious haven featuring elegant terracotta patterned floors, a grand bed, and beautiful traditional furnishings. Maybe use this as a guest room or turn it into another living space. The options are endless. Next, the striking tiled bathroom offers a full-size tub and separate shower. I'm sure you'll agree with me that this is a pretty nice bathroom, right? Let's go upstairs to see what more this house has to offer. Just look at the light coming in from that window. Wake up to the Italian sun. This master suite boasts beautiful terracotta floors and its own private balcony, offering quiet, leafy views. It's the perfect serene space. The next room, ideal for guests or family. 2 sunny spaces in one. The classic Italian floor pattern anchors this cheerful room, brightened by 2 large windows for natural light. This charming room features beautiful floor tiles and a window that showcases the stunning Italian countryside. A truly peaceful haven to relax after a day exploring Umbria. And now the final bedroom. Perfect as a snug guest room or home office, it retains that wonderful traditional character, is warmed by a classic window and offers a quiet personal space. Let's step outside and breathe in the magic. This property is your gateway to the renowned beauty of Umbria, offering breathtaking, expansive views of the rolling green hills. What a view you will have if you buy this house. The grounds are truly amazing. Just imagine owning 2,500 square meters of private countryside. A vast, sun-drenched space of pines shaded privacy. The views from this house will never get old. This house is special. It's definitely one of the nicest I've seen in a while. I'll be so envious of whoever buys this beauty. Thank you for taking this journey through your future Umbrian home. The full information fact sheet about this house and the local amenities in the surrounding area are coming up next. Just a quick reminder, Umbria is called the Green Heart of Italy. It's the only Italian region that is not on the coast, which keeps it wonderfully peaceful and less crowded than Tuscany. Plus, it's the global capital for black truffles, a little taste of luxury with your lifestyle. If this property has captured your imagination, don't wait, drop a comment below or use the link in our channel bio to contact me directly. We truly appreciate your precious time watching. Subscribe now, because more exceptional Italian properties are coming soon. Here is the fact sheet for this beautifully located house. Pause the video if you need to spend more time reading the details. This region of Italy is absolutely stunning, and there are so many amenities, fantastic restaurants and well-rated hospitals and medical centres in the local area. Well, this is the end of the video. Please feel free to tell me what sort of houses you'd like to see in the comments below. Do you want bargain houses? €1 houses? Luxury houses? Or something else? My aim is to show a bit of everything that we have available, but we'll welcome any of your feedback to help find you the best houses available right now. The next video will be coming very soon. Bye!